Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to count cells with specific text in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large datasets and need to quickly find out how many times a particular word or phrase appears in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and recent activity. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to count cells with specific text. This will open up your Google Sheet and display all the data you've been working with. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right document before moving forward. Now, for this example, I have some sample data here that I'll be working with. Let's say I want to count how many cells contain the specific text Nike. This could be a product name, a brand, or any other text you're tracking in your sheet. The process is exactly the same regardless of what text you're searching for. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the count result to appear. This is where Google Sheets will display the number of cells that match your criteria. Once you've selected the cell, type equals countif open parenthesis. This function is specifically designed to count cells that meet a certain condition, making it perfect for our task. After typing the function, click and drag to select the range of cells that contains the data you want to search through. You'll see the cell range appear in your formula as you select it. Then add a comma to separate the range from the search criteria. Now for my example, I'll type Nike inside double quotation marks. The quotation marks are essential here because they tell Google Sheets you're looking for text, not a number or formula. Finally, close the function with a closing parenthesis. Once your formula is complete, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Google Sheets will instantly calculate and display the number of cells that contain the text Nike in your selected range. The result will appear in the cell you chose earlier, giving you an immediate count. And that's it. You've successfully counted cells with specific text in Google Sheets using the countif function. This simple yet powerful tool can save you hours of manual counting and make data analysis much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.